What's up, guys? Welcome back to Lion Mark TV. Mark here with another exciting, delighting, and much interesting video here on the channel. This one is from the Headies Award. Yes, a whole lot of Nigerian artists actually won big at this year Headies Award in the US. It was an awesome time all throughout, and the highlights what I'll be bringing to you here. Backstage with Flavour, Kcee, Fally, Pupa, and the rest of others. Enjoy the highlights. Don't forget to subscribe.
I got trouble, mama, to call her. I got trouble, mama, to call her. I got trouble, mama, to call her. Mama is stressed. This mama has been traveling from Washington DC to Houston. I got trouble, mama, to call her.